Hello everybody, today we're going to be calculating percentages. First, we need to understand what a percentage is. In maths, a percentage is a number or ratio that can be expressed as a fraction of 100. For example, 20%, which can be written as 1/5 or 0.2. Now we know what a percentage is, let's calculate a percentage of a number. 20% of 50. As a number, 50 is 100%, but we want to see 20% of 50. So when we're looking at 100%, to get to 20%, we need to divide it by 5. So we can do the same to 50. We can divide 50 by 5, which is 10. So 10 equals 20%. And we can fact check this by writing 10/50 as a fraction. 10/50 simplified is 1/5, which we said at the start of the video, so 10 is 20% of 50. However, not all percentages are just going to be easy like 20. For example, what if we had 65% of 30, let's say? We can break down percentages. When we're looking at 65, it can be broken down as 6 tens and 1 5. Now 30. With 30, we're going to break it down like we did with 65. So first, we're going to be looking at 10% of 30. And this is really simple because we can just divide 30 by 10 to get 10%, as 10 tens make 100. So 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Now we know 10% of 30 equals 3, so we will just write it here. Also, we're trying to look at 5%, and we can just do this by dividing 3 by 2. When we divide 10 by 2, this equals 5. So 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. We know everything that we need to know of 65% of 30. We now look back into these original things that I had here. Let's replace 3 and 1.5 with the numbers at the start. So 3 times 6 equals 18, and 1.5 times 1 equals 1.5. Just add these together to get 65%. We've got our answer. 65 of 30 equals 19.5. Now I'm just going to do one harder question. We're going to be doing 55.5 of 35. Like the last question, I'm just going to be breaking it down. 55.5% has 5 10%, 1 5%, and 1 0.5%. Now let's look deeper into 35 as a number. Now we're going to find 10% of 35. And as we said before, all we need to do is divide it by 10. And that's 3.5. So we know 3.5 equals 10%. And now we can find the rest of the things that we need to find with just finding 10%. 3.5 divided by 2 equals 1.75. So 1.75 equals 5%. And to find 0.5%, we can just divide 5% by 10, because 5 divided by 10 equals 0.5. 1.75 divided by 10 equals 0.175. Now we know everything that we need to know. We just replace the percentages with the numbers that we found. We multiply all these numbers. And add them together. 55.5% of 35 equals 19.425. Thank you everybody for watching this video.